Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Knalah Andrea, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply false eyelashes. And I'm so glad to be filming this video because I'm using a lash brand that I've never used before, and I just ordered some stuff from them, so I'm going to be tagging their brand, Badass Cosmetics, and they have some really fire lashes, so I'm going to show you guys how to apply them today. I already have my makeup done, so let's get right into it. I like to use the duo adhesive when I'm doing my lashes, so that's the lash glue that we're going to be using today. Regular set of tweezers, and we're going to go right into it. And then we're going to hold on to the lash like so. Then I'm going to take, as you can see, the wand is flat, so that's really helpful. I really like a flat wand when I'm doing this. I've noticed, like, for the longest I've been using like the squeezable glue, and it's just not it. This stuff is the bomb. So I'm gonna take that, and then we're just gonna glue that lash. Let it dry for like 2 seconds, and then we're just gonna apply it to the eyes. And I like to get a mirror of some sort and bring it close to my face. My eyes as close to the eyelash line as close as I can. You just want to get it closest to your eyelash line as possible. If you need to use tweezers, use tweezers. If you need to use your fingers and really get a mirror and really get up close to your eye, you can do that as well. That is very helpful. I know I still struggle with lashes some days too, so if you don't get it on the first try, you just really have to keep trying because it is a very tedious application. I just tried like 3 times before I actually got this on, because sometimes if the lash is heavier or if it's a little more stiff, it's kind of hard to adjust. And you also have to make sure that the eyelash is comfortable for your eye shape, and it's not like too long or too short. So today we're going to be adding the Milk mascara, the Kush mascara. I really like this mascara. I think it's super bomb, and I always go get like some of the minis. I don't go get the full ones if I just want to try it out real quick. So if you guys want to go to Sephora and get like a mini set of different mascaras to try, I would definitely recommend that because that's the better way to go. That is how I apply my lashes. I hope you guys found this video informing, and I hope you guys learned a little something. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.